Oh no!
Now you defend. Four, Shiga. Yeah, 10, what's up? You've been waiting nicely now.
Strong and attacking-minded as well.
There's Ribeiro now. Trying to pull it back here. Down goes Zwane. Penalty. Well, the referee has been absolutely hounded here by China. He's got to be very careful. You can't behave like that.
Line, but the run as well from Themba Zwane, that was undetected, getting to the box, very tricky, especially when you take it like that. Actually, you're going to sell yourself. It's that's Polani.
Yeah, he catches in there, drags his foot away.
Yeah.
If you watch the Champions League matches, Ribeiro, no chance for the keeper, and the champions are in the lead after 12 minutes. Zwane will turn, leaves Shandu behind, into the penalty area. He's got to land it to his left, he's looking for an opening. Clearing the changes off the bench. Mamelodi Sundowns, challenge in from Sabisi. Falls for Mokwena, this might be a chance. There's Mokwena, straight through, Shadolile. Not enough power.
Sama PlayStation siapa?
Yeah. What?
Kamele spacing, got to fundi Lumonti one.
Are they going to get it? Zwane looking at his options. Now Yaya with a lovely ball. Zwane again. Can he finish? Oh yes! Oh yes! What a goal that is! That is fantastic play. And Mshishi does it again. Goal number 12 in his 46th international. Hit the post twice last time he played on this ground, but no problem here. But how about that build-up work? Nothing that Nwabali could do. This is an outstanding goal. He scored 2 brilliant goals against Algeria in Bafana's last appearance in a friendly. But look at them here. An away goal in Oyo, and Mama Joy can't contain herself. That is a fantastic goal. Just have a look at it again here. Mshishi starts it all. Yaya with this pass. That pass is brilliant, but still a lot of work to do. And look how well he does it. He throws off both Bassi and Ajay in defense. That's outstanding work. So much that he had to do, and he still finished it with aplomb. South Africa lead in Oyo. This is becoming potentially a night to remember. Bafana 1, Nigeria 0, and 12 goals now for Themba Zwane in South African national team colours.